Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today is day 3 of our frozen restaurant food versus the real deal. Okay, today we have TGI Fridays. No, it's not fast food Fridays.
It's not FFF.
So what we have today is we have some mozzarella sticks. We have some barbecue, what it called?
What?
Boneless chicken. And then we have some buffalo boneless. I'm hungry, so I forget the name.
I know.
Boneless chicken. We have some fries. And Richie has the same thing on this side and on this side, but in front of him, he has some jalapeno poppers.
True.
And then he also has the mozzarella stick. And then because he doesn't eat pork, I have the potato skin with cheese and bacon, yon.
I'm gonna get them some pork.
So, can I have some? You can put some of the, so we're gonna dig in. I just have some ranch dressing sauce just to dip my chicken in. And I'm gonna be, it's hot enough. I'm gonna be honest, guys. I've never had,
When you did you feel that?
I've never had
I'll give you a juice.
TGI Fridays. Yes, my love.
I never had it either. If you never have it, I never have it.
Yeah, I never had it from the freezer section.
Oh, we did you right in stores?
Yeah, we did.
We went around that?
Yeah, we had it at a restaurant before.
I don't remember. I'm sorry, I remember.
Because we don't go there a lot anymore.
Try me.
What tastes good though?
Just say good. If you only know the struggles what we got to go do with these videos for this week. It's rough.
Behind the scenes is really
Behind the scenes
rough.
is rough. Our house is a mess.
Again.
But gotta do it, but it's all good. We gotta bring them video cheese here.
That's right.
Take one of those good stuff right here.
Which one is that, honey?
The one, the yellow one, buffalo one.
No, you tried the jalapeno poppers?
Yeah, I tried it.
Yeah. How does it taste to you?
I just ate a jalapeno and then the cheese. It got cheese in it. It dropped with the mud.
How does it taste?
Good.
It's good. No.
I never had these.
Never had them.
You wanna try it?
Oh yeah.
Oh.
I never ordered. When we go to TGI Friday, I never order these. We usually order the potato skins, the mozzarella sticks, and some buffalo wings. We love wings. But this is very good. To be in the frozen section, it's very good.
I like. I'm gonna get them one of the. What you call it? The mozzarella stick now? You want it with some of the Chick-fil-A?
That is good.
Take some of the Chick-fil-A. Tastes good, right? Take up that by the Chick-fil-A. There you go.
The jalapeno popper is popping.
It's good.
Yeah. Now,
Try the buffalo one.
remember back in the days? Back in the days when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. But some days I sit and wish I was a kid again.
And yum, one yum.
Remember back in the days when TGI Fridays, Applebee's, Chili's, those restaurants used to be like the spot, the hangout spot. Not that much.
No, I want more. That one was good. That first one?
This is good. That is good. That is good, family.
Alright. You go and talk, I'm gonna feed them. Here, I'm gonna feed y'all, cause first lady talking today.
I love this.
Hey, TJ, here you go.
What style you trying?
The buffalo.
Oh.
No, barbecue, everything is buffalo.
I'm gonna try the mozzarella sticks.
It's good.
It's good.
Good.
You have to definitely eat this when it's nice and hot. But if it's too hot, it'll burn you.
It's gonna be too cheesy.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna give it a wrench.
I'm sorry, my love.
Forget it, this is what we rock with. We get it with it. So what? Don't judge me. Y'all all do it, so cut it out.
Oh, you can use this, honey, and scoop it out.
Y'all all do it. Cause you're acting like I don't do that. I get everything out.
Everything out? Probably a spoon.
Oh, good. No more?
Yes,
Okay.
Okay. All right, family. So we finished it. You know how we do. We get every single
Gotta
bit
get every
out.
bit out of it.
But because this is very good. The mozzarella stick is good.
Good.
But I like it a little bit hotter. But because we have so much stuff going on in the house,
They don't know.
we have to eat it how we eat it. But it's still good. So that tells you something, though.
Still good. We got a lot of family. Behind the scene on YouTube is rough. On the other side of it, yeah, I know that already. We gotta hurry up because the people that was on break.
Yeah.
We got lunch break. Cause when you hear them make a lot of noise.
Yeah.
And they keep calling us every minute, so we gotta make sure.
Yeah. But that's good though, because you know you want them to call you to make sure that what they're doing is what you want. So we have to eat our food because they soon come back.
Yeah. YouTube life ain't easy, girl.
It's just rough.
Rough. We appreciate y'all though, man. How your day been going?
How you guys go?
Take the pork. Good. That's why she should give you the pork and let me eat mine.
Good.
You say the day going good. I'm in your jaw to scrape the jaw, huh? I'm scraping in there. Right there.
Where?
In the jaw. This is good, yo.
In the jug. In the jug?
I need a spot.
Can you reach it? Family.
I'm not trying to hide nothing. This is what we do.
Oh my God.
Family, if I had a knife, I'd have cut the can.
Oops. Oh, they're back.
Yep. Take back, family. They say, Shanice? They're back.
So how have you guys been? You guys had a good day today? I hope so.
They said it was kind of rough. You know what I'm saying?
Oh,
their
that's
fault.
Vincent.
Oh. Appreciate it being rough.
I'm sorry to hear that. It will get better.
Just know that. This is good time.
I hope go. It is good.
Hopefully next week we start back at cooking.
Yeah.
Mama Duke is coming back.
She's back, coming back, y'all.
Come back, y'all. So you know when Mama Duke come back, it's a rizzy.
It's a wrap. And she's bringing my dad this time.
Uh-oh.
It's gonna be all like popcorn.
It's gonna be on. I like the jalapeno poppers.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah. Do y'all like the jalapeno poppers? Good, man. Never had it. It's real good. What?
We never had it from TGI Fridays.
Let me have it.
Your phone again?
I put on napkin. Is that your side?
Yeah.
My phone here.
But we had them when we went to Sonic's and I ordered it.
Oh. That's the part I remember.
Those were good too.
Sonic one? Yeah,
But not from TGI Friday though.
Yeah, I don't remember it then, so I wasn't good.
It was a long time ago, huh? It's like 10 years ago.
Oh. How you put your pork?
Good. It's good. It's really good. Everything tastes like TGI Friday. The taste is not off. Because I love this. This is good. The sauce on this is really good.
That's what I'm saying, the sauce is good on it.
It's really good.
That's gotta be him. Family. When she was cooking these, I was eating. I ate like about 6 or 8. 6. We bring up all the egg. Ah, nice.
It's a lot of chicken.
A lot of chicken.
Good thing I didn't get
What?
any sliders, any burgers. So they do have the burgers in the box, but
You didn't get my burger?
but tomorrow we're gonna have a special burger.
Oh, okay. Patty!
Ooh.
You know, my birthday you saw the other day was coming, but it was closed down. Sizzlers. Do you remember that?
Oh yeah.
Do you remember Sizzlers? When we saw that, we were shocked. Where we was in?
It had to be Florida.
Yeah, but what's come from? Over Orlando way?
Probably. My brother.
Yes, my brother. I always say Sizzlers. Yeah, do you remember Sizzlers when Sizzlers used to be popping? They used to have the best steaks, huh?
If if we didn't have to get on the turnpike,
Where you go?
we would turn around and took a picture.
Took a picture of it.
We was amazed.
We were like, they still have that? But a lot of people don't remember Sizzlers. Comment down if you remember Sizzlers.
Sizzlers was a spot.
What was the other one that's closed down? That's closed down. That used to be hitting back then. Sizzlers was the big thing.
Sizzlers back then? If you went to Sizzlers back then, you had money. Okay? People thought you had money. No capping.
Man, I was like, what the hell?
I'm full.
Full?
I'm getting full.
Yeah, say something there, Carlos. You know, we can't cook in the
We can't cook
kitchen.
that in the kitchen.
One thing we have to go microwave.
All this food was made in an air fryer.
Yep.
Because we have no access to the kitchen family.
No access at all.
So,
You know how it is already when you're remodeling.
trust me, we miss our Jamaican food because right now, me and Richard be thinking about some fried fish with some onions. And we can't make it right now because we can't use the stove.
So you have to get some Yankee thing. You have to get some Yankee food. But it's cheap and clean though. I tell you that. Just like the real thing. You know, family, you know we always improvise. You know what a greedy couple do over here?
We have to.
We improvise, you feel me? And Mama Shay, holla at us. Hopefully everything gets better. You're gonna be fine, okay? Respect. I'm gonna say love when we get respect. Boom. For real. We got you in our prize, you know? Stay. You be good.
We got you, boo.
You're good people. Don't worry. The whole time. Yeah. Let's put it on the next time later. You're gonna be hungry again.
I don't know why. But when we eat
Our regular food?
when we eat our food, we eat it all. When it's Yankee food, not so much.
Me and your mom, you know what you talk about? We eat it all. Me and
I
your
was
mom.
so hungry. I don't want no more potato. But I wanted the
I'm so
cheese.
hungry, yeah. But you're still not gonna eat it.
I was very hungry though.
I know you did.
I'm hungry.
And I told family I ate like 6 of these already. I was sneaking them out. They're good. A lot of chicken for real. I hope everybody. Family, you know we got you. You see what's going on in the news about the gas?
In Florida,
In Florida, it's in Georgia too.
North Carolina.
A late night, holla at us. How it is over there in Georgia? Your line them is long? For real, right? Crazy. We went out last night. The line them was long. So we was in the line, right? And me and First had seen an open stall. I said, why nobody going over there? You know why nobody wasn't going over. I said, okay. So me and First we went around. First said, you think we're skipping the line? We said, no, we ain't skipping the line. People's going different ways. Went around, family, jumped out of the car like a police. Zoom, pushing my card. Not working.
The police?
Yeah. Boom, pushing my card again, not working. The first day sitting down there in the Uber side. So I said, what's wrong with this car? The card. First they said it's not working. That's why nobody was coming right here. And we said, oh. So we drove off. 2 more people pull up. We said it's not working, so we went on the other side now. And was in the line. So before we see the next empty pump, I said, I'm not gonna drive over there unless it's working.
Right.
So I ran out there, pushed my car, didn't start. get ready to fill it. So a car pull up, I say, hey, no. I already put my card in there, reusing it. She's like, okay, no problem. She almost took my gas. But yeah, it's crazy in Florida right now.
I don't know why I gave myself so much chicken, you know.
Yeah, show off.
That's alright. Because like I said, family.
Give some to the family member because they always say you don't want to give them no. Give them something.
I gave them some potatoes.
Give them some again because I'm going to see if they're going to take more. They're not going to take no more, you know? They don't want no more because they're full too, you know?
I'm full. I'm give them one.
Y'all got to take some now. Help first lady.
Here you guys go.
Take it. Here we go.
Alright.
Oh.
I'm saving it because we don't have access to the kitchen, so what are we gonna eat later?
That's what I'm saying. Listen to this one. Family, listen to this one, okay? And I definitely want you, if you could relate. First lady, you probably could relate to this too. Alright. Family. We rather have an enemy who admits they hate me instead of a friend who secretly puts me down. You can relate to that?
Kind of. I don't have no friends.
Yeah, I'm the only friend. But could y'all relate to that? Let me know. So, don't forget again to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new, welcome to the Greedy Couple. This is Richie, aka Chatty Pasta sometime, and this is First Lady, aka Shanice Chatty too. And they are First Lady?
The Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye.
Yo, Tom, I miss my cuckoo, you know?
Yo, I want some fish enough.
I fish you want that's a bad dream of fish come like I breed.
Nah, breed. I would breed me.
What, you know?
Fucking breed.